I want to talk about the FX Luminaire PL Pathlight and explain why we like this so much and why we use it in most of our do-it-yourself kits. The reason being is because the quality and the durability of this light is by far some of the strongest that we've seen. Many Pathlights have a very weak stem, and within a couple years, and I see it all the time because we get called out to repair these, they get knocked over and banged up really good, and they're just no good to you anymore. So I mean, outside of keeping them off the grass areas, making sure you're putting them in low traffic areas is one way to maintain them, but the other way is make sure you're just getting a really good one. And I have a video where my daughter beats the heck out of one of these with a golf club and cannot break this. These are probably some of the most durable stems out there that we've found, and that's why we love these Pathlights. The other thing I like about these, same as with our uplighting fixtures, what we like to do is get the really good quality light and retrofit it with an LED bulb, just because it does give us a few more options if we want to put in a brighter bulb down the road, or if, say, in 15 years our LED lights stop working, instead of having to go replace a whole fixture, if it has an integrated board built in, we can just go and replace the bulb. So there's advantages to both. Cost-wise, retrofitting with an LED is often a good option. Part of the reason we like these ones is, so you can see here the casing around where the bulb goes in, and the rubber seal which keep the elements out. Make sure that whatever Pathlight you're using, it totally keeps out the elements, because if you have a Pathlight that is exposed to rain, water, wind, dust, all that kind of stuff, that socket is going to die out that much quicker, and you're going to end up with just a broken, useless Pathlight. And that's typically what you'll find on big box store shelves, is just a Pathlight that does not have a good seal around it to keep out the elements, and within a couple years it's no good anymore. Not to mention it's usually got a very weak stem that's going to break easily, as well as the ground stakes that come with them in the big box stores usually are very cheap and flimsy, don't do a very good job of holding up the light. Whereas another reason we like this Pathlight is it comes with a solid 8-inch ground stake that you can pound into the ground with a rubber mallet, like we talk about in all our videos, to give it a lot of extra stability. If you want to firm it up even a little bit more, a good thing to do is actually, once you dig the hole, put a little quick dry cement, the powder, just around that fixture, and give it a little bit of water, and then that'll secure that fixture right in there. Also, these lights come with a 10-foot lead wire. Again, it just gives us more options and flexibility, the ability to move those lights around without having to rewire or make new splices, which just help our lights to perform longer and better for the life of your system. So that's why we love the PL Pathlight from FX Luminaire. You can find in all our do-it-yourself kits, as well as on our website as a separate light. We do have a bunch of other options, but just to give you a better idea, that's why we choose this light, and that's why we love it. Go check out our website as well as fxl.com if you want to learn more about FX Luminaire's quality lights. And as always, email me your comments and your questions to cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Now I'll show you what you're going to find inside our premium do-it-yourself landscape lighting kits. So in each kit, you're going to find 12 of the FX Luminaire uplights, each with a LED drop-in bulb rated over 30,000 hours, 10-foot lead wire, rubber seal around the light to keep out the elements, 6-inch ground stake for maximum durability, and very simple and easy to use adjustments to get that light exactly where you want it. You're also going to find 8 of the FX Luminaire 12-inch Pathlights, again each with a 10-foot lead wire, rubber seal around the top to keep out the elements, 8-inch ground stake for even more added stability. Each light comes with a T3 LED drop-in bulb, again rated at over 30,000 hours, and a 5-year warranty on these lights also. Inside every kit, you're also going to find all the tools you need to power and connect your system. This is your 120-watt Kichler transformer that comes complete with photocell and easy to use timer, which controls up to 20 lights on this system. We've also thrown in at no charge a Wion outdoor Wi-Fi timer that your transformer can be plugged into to make it Wi-Fi, which is compatible with Amazon Alexa. You're going to find over 60 waterproof professional connections and 500 feet of 12-2 low voltage direct burial wire. Be sure to visit us at lightingdoctor.ca to check out all our professional quality do-it-yourself landscape lighting kits and get more information about adding landscape lighting to your home and garden.